10 small business ideas with big potential. If you are moved by the entrepreneurial spirit, you may think you are ready to get out there and start a business. Entrepreneurship comes with the dreams of financial independence, location independence, and the ability to set your own schedule and be your own boss. These are great dreams and can be some of the perks of owning your own business. But before you can make the big bucks, you need a business idea with legs to get off the ground. Here are some great business ideas you can start on your own and can grow as you gain experience. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Number 1. Online freelancing. One of the easiest businesses to start is online freelancing. You can do it with the computer you already own, and you do not need any expensive equipment or licenses to get started. In fact, you do not even need to file as a business owner in your state to start working as a sole proprietor. To start the business, look at your own skill set and consider what other people may be willing to pay for. If you are a great writer, know how to build websites, or can create and edit videos, there are unlimited opportunities for work around the web. If you do not have any connection to potential clients, look to Upwork and Fiverr to get started. Number 2. Vending business. People in offices get hungry, and most companies do not care to take the time or expense of installing a vending machine. If you are willing to invest in vending machines, you can call around to local office building managers and companies to find places to install them. You can often install the machines for free or for a small fee to the property owner, and you keep all of the profit from the vending machines to yourself. This business can scale to grow throughout your city and the surrounding region. If it grows enough, you can hire people to restock the machines while you sit in the office counting your profits. Number 3. Tax preparation. Tax season means big money for companies like H&R Block, TurboTax, and thousands of independent tax preparers around the country. If you want your slice of the pie, you will need to become licensed in tax preparation according to your state guidelines, in addition to meeting IRS or Internal Revenue Service guidelines. Once you are certified, you can start either a franchise or independent tax preparation business. Expect to be very busy from mid-January to mid-April every year. But outside of that, you get plenty of flexibility with your schedule. Many tax businesses also offer bookkeeping, payroll, and business consulting services to supplement their incomes from tax season. Number 4. Computer repair. If you know your way around a hard drive, there are millions of people who know little more about their computer than where the on button is located. They may be willing to pay you to help them out when their computer breaks down. Computer repair services include virus removal, general maintenance for speed improvements, and occasional hardware improvements, and repair like adding RAM or a second hard drive. If you know how to do a lot with computers, but not everything, you can always learn more through YouTube videos and online tutorials. Number 5. Home organization. Where episodes of others are a worst case scenario, millions of people are living with cluttered homes full of junk and no real organization. If you are well organized and have good people skills, you can turn your knife for keeping a clean home into a profitable venture. You can market your services to people in your area with an hourly rate or charge a flat fee for each project depending on the scope. Get ready to help people declutter and put things away, but also be sensitive and respectful to people's attachment to their possessions. Number 6. Open a t-shirt online shop. Platforms like Printful and Shopify have made it insanely simple to start an online t-shirt business for anyone with a speck of imagination and an eye for design. But it doesn't need to be an online t-shirt shop. You can set up an e-commerce shop selling anything. The key here is to learn about print on demand, which forms the base for such business. Number 7. Dropshipping business. Dropshipping is the easiest option to start an e-commerce business without having to buy any products in advance. Use dropshipping apps to find thousands of products from the suppliers to sell online, then sell to customers across the world while building and promoting your own brand, all without needing to invest in warehousing or manufacturing costs. You don't need to pay for inventory until it is sold to an actual customer. From online boutique to jewelry store to women's clothing store to one product store, dropshipping works for most online store ideas. Number 8. Kickstarter or indiegogo advisor. Grabbing the attention of curious browsers on the most popular crowdsourcing platforms like Kickstarter and indiegogo is a tough job. If you are inventive and know how to tap into human emotion, then this is a niche worth exploring. Many aspiring entrepreneurs look for personalized advice to carry their campaigns to the finish line, so try offering action-oriented ebooks or online courses targeted at this particular audience will make you a lot of money online. Number 9, SEO Expert. That is search engine optimization. One of the world's hottest professions at the moment. This business is a gold mine for the tech-savvy entrepreneurs, where everyone's slightly obsessed with getting their site SEO optimized. Not many people can actually wrap their heads around this topic. If you decide to go into this field, you can think about offering like building websites, content creation, e-commerce SEO optimization, and similar other things that are related to SEO. Number 10, selling online courses. Derek Appen has built a really strong personal brand. He is the founder of a software and business training company called Social Triggers and makes a lot of money teaching people how to sell what they know best. And what he knows best is how to sell. If you have got some serious expertise, starting making money out of it by selling online courses or simply teaching online. Conclusion: starting a business can be intimidating, but the process is actually very simple. Starting as a sole proprietor means you can work as yourself under your own brand. You can also start a limited liability company or LLC for a low cost in many states. Great people, this is the end of the video. If you have found this video helpful in any way, please kindly subscribe to the channel now and turn on the notification bell. That way you get notified whenever we upload another quality content on entrepreneurship, business, side hustle, customer service, customer experiences, financial freedom. God bless you. Until the next time, keep winning, keep growing, keep achieving.